Now let us see V by F control circuit for induction motor, that means open loop control. This is not closed loop control. So this title or this topic can have to give a improper output because this is a open loop system. Okay. Okay, no problem. Let us see the V by F control circuit of induction motor. Look at this diagram. This diagram having two converter circuit. First converter says rectifier, second converter says inverter. Both converters connected anti-parallelly with the filter circuit. This converter going to be connected with the induction motor according the proper manner. Okay, this is the circuit explanation. A rectifier received the three-phase AC supply with the relevant magnitude, represented magnitude. Okay, this represented magnitude will attain the rectifier after this rectifier circuit getting the firing pulses. Okay, the rectifier also having 6 SCRs, each phases consisting 2 SCRs. So 3 phases having 6 SCRs, 3 positive SCRs, 3 negative SCRs. At a time, the 6 SCRs cannot connected because it has some switching sequences. That switching sequences already we had been seen in second unit. Okay, now I have to insist that switching sequences 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 1. This is sequential process as we call switching sequences. Okay. According to this switching sequences, the firing pulses to reach that particular switches. After this SCR getting that firing pulses, automatically allow the three-phase AC supply in the controlling manner. Okay. So by the way of this receiving input supply, slightly which is converted into a DC. Okay. After this supply having okay, this rectifier are ready to convert this AC three-phase AC supply into DC supply the proper manner. If DC having any unwanted noises or unwanted harmonics, there is no harmonics. If unwanted noises or unwanted disturbances in this, it may correct by using this filter components, inductor and capacitor. After this filtration, this DC just going to reach that converter, second converter of inverter. Same like the inverter getting some firing pulses to convert the proper AC from the DC. Okay, now we are ready to attain the proper AC supply by the help of this inverter circuit. Okay, this setup which is called a drive system. Okay, already I told to you the first condition having back to back connection of each phases, that back to back connection called drive system. Okay, that drive system introduced here also. This process only we can achieve by using this drive system. After this inverter, we can get a proper perfect three-phase AC supply. That three-phase AC supply which is given to this induction motor. This induction motor connection having star to delta. So beginning of the starter, this drive system inputs injected to star connection. That star connection can adapted by the manner of mathematical condition, which is going to be convert the delta connection. After the delta connection produced a proper three-phase AC supply according their controlling and flowing manner. Finally, induction motor runs smoothly and produced a controlled speed as well as voltage in the smooth frequency method. Okay.